Hey everyone, thanks for joining us here in the chat. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Your fellow competitor speaking. Looks like the BTC prices experienced some downwards pressure. I'm actually going to show you something I realize the title is probably a little bit controversial, but I'm going to leave links in the videos that's actually going to show you, not prove to you, but show you that we've been hinting at the one level that the market recently got rejected from, to show you that the recent tweet that the kind gentleman recently put out and the market moving down, it had absolutely nothing to do with what he put out. And I want to prove that to you here. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Welcome back, loyal family, or welcome me back, rather. And if you're new here, please do your fundamental research and determine when that tweet was put out or about BTC, because we're just going to go over the price action here, okay? So let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's May the 17th, 2021, and the current price of BTC is going to be $44,701.43. It's up approximately 2.6% for the day. Okay, welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis. Here's what I've been following. It looks a little bit interesting, so here it is. All right, perfect. So, ladies and gentlemen, obviously my name is here on the screen, as well as Mr. Elon Musk. So, what we are looking at is, I don't know if you can actually see those little small circles. See if we can get a zoom in here. Now, the yellow circles represent the videos that we posted. I'm actually going to do something a little bit different. So this is one of the videos that we posted. I think it was near March the 16th, 2021. Check that video. We were hinting at $57,600. This green line right here. Can't make that up, so be sure to watch that video. $57,600. You can see it right about there. And the next video that we posted, hopefully we're leaving a link for this one as well, because it will only make sense if you watch the videos and we're leaving links, right? This area right here, we're also hinting the same thing at about March the 24th, $57,600. And then the last video that we posted, just kind of like giving an indirect hint also, was posted back in May the 4th, saying something about like a disrupting the BTC sellers disrupt the market or something like that. And then we posted that on May the 4th, 2021. So essentially what I'm trying to get at is the yellow circles represent my hints or somewhat warnings that BTC needs to get above and stay above $57,600, this green line. And it just so happened that on the day, I'm not sure what day it was, guys. I don't read that stuff, right? Mr. Musk actually posted a tweet, and I'm assuming it was on this candle right here on May the 12th, 2021. He posted something and the market went down like 14%. So ask yourself, Napoleon macro, I speak to myself third person. That's super weird, right? He's been hinting at this $57,600 level for ever since all the way back here in like March 16th, 2021. So did Elon really cause the market to go down? Or did the market just simply get rejected from the level that Napoleon macro has been telling the world for some time? Because look, on that day, I'm assuming, let me know down in the comment section, guys. Was it March the 12th? It got rejected, went down, and I guess something happened, right? The market just made a lower high. That's all that happened, guys. It was not associated with anything other than. I'm gonna always challenge yourself, guys. I know people hate when I do this sometimes, but you know me, guys. I'm the practical guy. This is the highest level. This is a lower high as a result of the market making a lower high, because here's a low, here's a high, here's a lower low. Okay, this is a lower high, and then the market made a lower low. Super simple. Stop overcomplicating this. Okay, it's super simple. So what needs to take place next? Well, the market needs to make, it actually needs to get above $57,600 again. I mean, if it makes a lower high, let's just say it goes up to like $53,000. No, guys, that's a lower high. So what would the markets do as a result of that? Is going to try to make a lower low. Lower than 40, I think it was like 44,000, like 43,000. It came all the way down here. My price target is still the same. I'm not sure if you guys actually remember me going over the price target. Just below the price, this little white line down here at about $38,000. That's not going to change. I'm not saying it's going to happen soon or tomorrow, okay? What I'm saying is if the market does find a floor here, right, and it decides to go up to the upside, it's likely it'll make it up to like 50,000, perhaps even 53,000. If it makes it up to 53,000, it must make a decision. And it needs to make a new high, guys. $63,800. All this green price activity that is taking place below $57,600 does not excite me one bit. I know what I'm looking for. I know what the market is looking for and what it must present in order to show buying strength or selling strength. If it makes a lower high, that's selling strength. It's going to go lower, $38,500 conservatively speaking. Okay, I think this is all going to take place towards the end of this month. So look for some more price volatility, potentially to the upside here in the short term. But I think the sellers are going to potentially end this month out with more momentum to the downside. That's my prediction. Hopefully you guys caught that. 38.5 with the potentially small bounce brewing here in the market that could reach as high as 53,000 closing out the month here. So hopefully this was useful. And let me know that in the comment section. What do you think? Did Elon Musk really sense that something was going to take place in this market, or did he cause the market to go down? Or did Napoleon macro sense that, you know, this was a challenge, guys? 57.6. Okay, the market, yeah, if it couldn't get above it, yeah, it's called a sell order saturation is what I call it, when the market just kind of hangs out near a level where it cannot proceed higher, like in the bullish case, right? If the market's trying to make a higher high and it's just kind of hanging out, consolidating near this 57.6, it's called a sell order saturation, where it just kind of pushes the price down when the sell orders are, yeah, pretty much saturated, where they've gathered enough sell orders, and they just push the price down as a result of the consolidation. And then, of course, it produces the move to the downside, this little area right here, okay? Just simple price action that I understand, that I do my best to understand, right? So you have the levels, you have the time frame. Yes, good. Out we go. That's it, guys. Take care of yourselves. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video, you know, if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video and the channel. Thank you for your support. Also, if you're new, before you go, we cover the traditional stocks if you're into that, 7 days a week. So kindly join us on this interesting journey, and we'll send you that information when it is available. Once again, thank you for your time and for stopping out with us. Be sure to execute your strategies out there in the market. This way you can protect your portfolio as you entertain positions in the market. And take care of yourselves, and bye for now.